Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you secure them coins. If you think that's interesting, stay with me. Well guys, as I told you, not your keys, not your crypto. That means if you take in consideration to leave your crypto on an exchange, you should know that there is a risk you can lose it. That's because that website, that exchange can get shut down, the owner might die or might fake his death and run with the money. Or hackers attack, for many reasons. Think it like this way. If you rent an apartment, live in it, but it's not yours. And the owner can always tell you to go away, to leave that apartment. The same thing happens here when a third party is involved, there's always a risk. So take that in consideration. Here on this article we can see a list of many exchanges that got hacked, that got shut down, and so on. As you can see here, the list is really long. So I'm not going to stay here, read it. I'm going to put it on the description if you want to read it. See, really long. Since Bitcoin was invented, hackers tried to hack it and people lost their crypto. But me and Satoshi don't want you to lose your crypto, your Bitcoin. So I'm going to show you how you secure it. Here the list goes on. So in conclusion, even here they say that the exchange is a risk, but they don't say how you can secure it, them coins. But I'm going to tell you. Probably you are like, what this guy has on his neck? This is a necklace. Like, when I put it, those spicy senoritas are like, oh my god, you're so handsome, you're so cool. And I'm like, yeah, I know, this thing makes me caliente. I'm kidding, guys. This is a hardware wallet, and you can store your crypto on it. Basically a hardware wallet. It's a digital portfolio, and I use the Ledger one. This is the Nano X. And I think you should get one of these too, because basically the price and the quality from the Ledger are really good. They're really awesome, and I'm going to show you now their products. You can see here the Ledger Nano X, which is their top product, because you can connect this Ledger with your smartphone, your computer, via Bluetooth, and you can make transactions. Also, I'm going to show you your product, the Nano S. You can see here it's nice. You can choose the color. I personally like black, it's really nice. And this one you can connect it only with your computer, but you can put your portfolio on your smartphone, but you cannot make with the transaction that you can make with the Ledger Nano X via Bluetooth. And I suggest you that you buy them from the official website and not buy them on Amazon or other places, because the hardware can be hacked. So from the official website it's more safer. When you get it at home, you'll have a paper where you will have to write your 24 words and put it in a safe place. I suggest you that you memorize those words, because in case you lose this baby, you can get another one and restore it with those words, so you don't lose your crypto. It's really nice. I'm going to put downside the link in the description where you can buy it from using my code, and I'll get a small commission. You can support my channel, thank you very much, and you won't be extra charged. And this is all for this video, guys. I thank you very much for watching it, and see you soon. Remember, don't be afraid of crypto. Crypto is your friend.